Hi there, this is Vinay from Gamerz Nation again. As you can see, we have the YANTRA with us. This is our entry for the Thermaltake CaseMod World Series Invitational. We have tried to fuse the Indian traditional design with the modern looks. We have also used Thermaltake LCS and Thermaltake quad-ring fans in this. I will play the build montage after this, where you can find the specifications of this video, and after that I will just introduce you with the Thermaltake Neonmaker, which is the latest RGB lighting software. So hi, I have installed this Neonmaker light editing software. Once you open it, it will ask some administrative permissions. You just click yes to it. It will now open. You can see the interface here. It has detected 6 fans. Those are connected to the controller and a distro plate. For them to detect, I didn't do anything. I just connected them to controller, and the controller is connected via USB to the machine. If you have used any video editing software previously, this should be very easy to use for you. As you can see, here are the list of components that you can control. And for example, if you select this fan, it will glow red on the machine, so you know which fan you have selected. Once you double click on it, you can get control of the individual LEDs like this. You can just pick a color that you want to put on an individual LED, and it will do the rest of the thing. So this is one situation. You have created one block of it, okay, and this will run for 1 second. So if you want to run for a longer time, what you can do is you can just copy this block and put the sticker point at the end of the first and paste it. And this you can do multiple of the times. Like you can create a loop of 20 seconds, you can say. And once you start the loop, it will just start from the beginning again. So for each and every individual fan, you can do this. Now before starting this video, I have created a pattern for me. I will just open that. So this is the pattern I have created. Since the machine is themed on a machine, like the name of the mod is Yantra, which is Sanskrit or Hindi word for the machine. Now I wanted all the fans to look like they are scanning for something and scanning in the ring. And once you have done that, once the scanning is complete, the ring should be filled. As you can see, this LED start here in the progression of 3 and just go around the ring and then complete it. This is how you do it for, like, these are the blocks you have to create for this motion. Now if you want to create any other motion, you can just select the templates, wave, pulse, tempo, tempo 1 motion, and add your individual colors. Now for the pattern, for the scanning thing, I have did this. I created the first line, then just copy pasted it for the rest of the fans. And for the distro plate, I have done a alternate lightning scene where you can see half of them is cyan and half of them is white, and this is how it alternates for every 1 second. Now once you have completed this, you can just play the timeline and it will, you can check the real time how the LEDs are illuminating. And once you do this, like this is the 20-second loop, you can just minimize it and it will continue to restart again and again and again until you stop it according to your preference. So I'll just put a pause on it and it will basically stop all the fans from illuminating. And for the regular use, you can just play it and put it on minimize and it will minimize to system tray. Apart from this, if you want to create your own patterns, if you can if you want to add some different colors to it, I just put cyan and white because the machine theme goes with this. But you can do all of them. Like for example, my seeker point is here. I'll just put a wave and it has added a wave pattern which was already filled in within the software. As you can see, it has changed all the individual LEDs to a different color. And this is it. I'll just open the previously saved project, play it and put it on a video so you can enjoy. Thanks.